Come out and face me, idiot! Stupid girl! Where are you? Come out and face me, idiot! Stupid husband snatcher! Where is she? Where is that foolish girl? I said come out! Hey! This girl! Where are you hiding? Come out and face me! Stupid husband snatcher! Foolish girl! Where is she? Where? Where are you hiding? Where is that husband snatcher? Come and face me! Come on! Oh yeah, come and face me! So this is where you are hiding. This is where you are hiding. Again. And who would I be hiding from? Who would I be hiding from? Why are you disturbing the whole environment? Why? Where are you calling environment? Are you that jobless? Where are you calling environment? I'm calling here environment. This place? Yes. Okay. Since you don't have sense to leave my husband alone, I would disturb this environment, this local place in the morning, afternoon and night. You will see trouble. Hey, Inukwa. Who is your husband? Onye Bogagi. Amechi is your husband. Eh? Is Amechi your husband? Nem, wake up from that sleep. Inugo, stop being delusional. He is not your husband. Inugo, I have told you, stay away from my husband. Or else, stay away from Amechi. Stay away from Amechi. Also, or you will see the other side of me. Or what? You will see something. What? You will. Okay, you want to see what I can do? Yes, I want to see. Else what? I am daring you. I'll shoot down the bath again. You want to see? So this is all you can offer. This is all you can do. Stop it! Stop it! Will you stop this nonsense? Stop it! So this is all you can offer. You will see more drama if you don't advise your stupid and useless daughter to stay away from my husband. Yeah, listen. You don't to fight in my compound. And not this early. Want this stupid girl. Want her to stay away from my husband. I will come back for you. I said he's not your husband. He's not your husband. He's not your husband. Okay. What's the meaning of this? Yes. Now, you listen to me. Go back to wherever you're coming from. And don't ever come back to this compound. Don't come here and disturb the peace of this compound. You see, hey! Okay. Your mother is here to save you today. Hey, she will not be here to save you tomorrow. Nobody will help you tomorrow. But don't worry, you think it's my carrying weapon? You think it's my carrying weapon? When I am ready for you, what will happen? You think it's my carrying weapon? Don't worry, you will see weapon and you run away from weapon. Stupid girl, drop that weapon. Let's fight over tomorrow. He can never drop it. He can never drop it. Mama, no can never. He can never. Hey! Mama, na respect kwa girl. Mama, kwa can na sanya. Me roll this girl aru. Ina pudala. It's okay. What's the meaning of this? Can't do this kind of nonsense. Mama, they are no longer married. Why is she fighting me? Listen, let me tell you. It's so shameful that you will be fighting in this compound at this time of the day. I just say I give in it, we see not because of a man. Somebody else's husband. If a lot there, man. Let this not happen again. I'm sorry, man. I'll fight for what is mine. I'll fight for you. Chineke na zogi na man na eba. When I can't just swap be where you see. Ala that boy. I want to kiss you. Margarita kwa yeme.
I'll see on a swap. You can add the room. And I'm walking. I'll go here. Such a one.
Amechi, have you seen what that stupid and foolish girl called Amaka did to me because of you? Look at my body. Look at what she did to me because of you. She fell me to the floor and rubbed my skin to... Hey, Amechi, I just came to tell you that 2 of you have bought market. 2 of you don't buy markets. Amechi, look at my skin because of you. Because of you. Me, Susan. And I don't buy markets. Big markets.
Susan, what is this? No, tell me now, what is this? Why is this the first thing I'm seeing this morning? What is this? What is your problem? What did Amaka do to you? I hope you have not gone there to go and cause problem again.
Hey.
I hope you have not gone there to go and cause nuisance.
Hey, Amechi, are you concerned about that stupid girl? Or you should be concerned about me? No, tell me! So you're particular about that girl than me? Well, to inform you, I went there and I caused problem! Huh? Yes! I told her to stay away from my man.
Me, your man?
Yes!
How did I become your man? No, tell me now. Me, your man. Okay, fine. Let me now remind you that I am not your man. I can never be your man. I will never be your man in Jesus' name. Amen.
Hey!
You were the one that opened your mouth. This is your true mouth. This is your true dirty stinking mouth to tell me that you're no longer interested.
Hey!
I begged you. I said, Susan, you are my wife. Let us work this out. You went and bought divorce paper by yourself. You asked me to sign. Didn't I beg you? I even knelt down to beg you. You refused. You said, I should come and take my bride price. So this one. I begged you. Even my friend Emeka begged you. You refused. I came and I took my bride price. Even at that, you are still coming back here to come and tell me that I'm still your man. How is that possible?
It is very possible.
You're possessed.
It is possible. You were my love, my first love, yes. And you will be mine forever. Nothing will change. I can't stand somebody else taking you. It's not even possible. I cannot tolerate any woman coming close to you. Amechi, the earlier you know that, the better for 2 of us. What is it?
Aye.
You are mine.
Aye. Before I thought you were mad, but now I knew that you were possessed. You are filled with evil spirits. And this is the problem. And thank God that you have left my life. Now let me now tell you. Please, I am not your man. I was never your man. I can never be your man. All the time I was with you, I nearly died. You almost used this your fist to wound me, to injure me. Now that I have left with my head intact, with my life intact, you still want me to come back for what? God forbid, Holy Ghost fire. I send it back to sender. I won't even wish you for my enemy. I can never wish you for my enemy. So please, I beg you now, leave my house. I was already going out.
Amechi, this is me, Susan. The Susan you used to kneel down and beg to stay with you before. Amechi, you used to crawl on your knees for me to stay with you. And now you're asking me to go. No problem. I can see the handwriting. No problem, I will go. But this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Bet me. No, bet me. I'll come back for you. And I'm coming back with full force. For you and that stupid girl. Bet me. No, Amechi, bet me. Okay.
Was I even blind when I went and married this one? Were you blind when you married this guy?
Eh? I can't believe that girl did this to you. Look at you. But I've always told you now. I've always told you to stand your ground. Stand your ground. I did, Sarah. I did, but I don't know how that girl overpowered me. Look at the bruises on my body. Eh? And the worst of it is that Amechi supported her when I went to report her to him. Can you imagine? Yes! Hi! At this point, I think that girl is using love potion on him. Because I don't understand. Not to worry. You need to get your man back. You must get your man back. Eh? Not now that he is making money. Hi. I can never imagine that you will live in this kind of place. Eh? Look at the kind of place you're staying. Sarah, if someone had told me, that I'll be living in this kind of environment, Susan, I won't believe it. But look at me, I don't even know how I ended here. But I know for a fact that stupid girl Amara is with Amechi because of the money he has. But I will possess my position. Exactly. I will go back and get what is mine. Exactly, you need to. Hey? Amechi is yours, whether he likes it or not. Can you imagine? Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, if you see the way she rubbished me on the floor. Eh? Carry weapon for me. Hey! It's a lie. That girl is evil. Amechi even asked me, I hope you did not go there to fight out. Eh? Just imagine. Okay.
I just freshened up. I was about to go out to buy something before I saw you. I wanted to buy water. Why is your face like this?
I'm here now. We really need to talk. We need to talk.
Hey, this is my chase. My neighbors have carried them. Wait. Just stay on. Don't wait. Amaka, why is your face like this? Hey. What is it? Amaka, wait. Before you say anything, I know Susan came to your place to cause sin, and I know she came to fight you. It really pained me when I heard it. But honestly, I have to tell you, I don't have anything with that girl again, and I will never have anything with her in this life. This is who I love. You're the one I love.
Because that's why I am here. That is why I am here. That lady is beginning to be a bone in my neck. I don't like it. Please warn her to stay away from the both of us. Warn her.
Fine, I will do it. But I want to also assure you that I would never have anything to do with her in this life. You are the one I love. Honestly, I even scolded her. I told her to her face that I don't want to see her again. I don't want her to keep coming close to me. I don't even know what else to tell her. I'm tired of the whole thing, honestly.
Amechi, you need to invite the elders. Yes, talk to the elders. If she cannot pay attention to whatever we are telling her, I think she will listen to the elders.
That's what I'm going to do. You're very correct. I'm going to go and report to the elders.
Exactly.
I'll tell them because from the way this thing is going, if I don't do something, try. That's by the way. You know what? I was about going out, but because I've seen you, I'm not going anywhere again.
How about work? Are you not going to work?
I was about going out to get something, but I'm not going again. I want to get this coincidence. I want to stay with you.
You made my favorite. Yes or no?
I'll make it.
Stop it. Let's go. Don't worry, I'll be fine. You know, I'm just angry because of that nonsense girl. But don't worry, I'm good. Let's go.
My orders. Thank you for coming. I know you people had to leave your respective businesses to come and honor this my invitation. It's just because of the urgency involved. That's why I had to make sure that even my friend that is here to bear me witness. Yeah.
It's okay, son. Now that we are here, tell us what the problem is.
You are aware that I was once married to Susan. And you are also aware that she by herself decided that she wants a divorce.
Okay, so man.
She went to the court, brought divorce letter, gave me and forced me to sign.
Exactly.
By herself, she said that she wants her bride price returned to me. And she made sure that it happened. Is it not true?
Yes, we are aware. And we were even present when we went to return her bride price. Listen, you don't have to do that.
Elders, I want people to hear my cry. I know that I am begging you with all my heart to please tell Susan here, tell this woman standing here to please leave me alone. We are not married anymore. We can never be married. We will never be married. We are not partners of any sort. Tell her, remind her that she is no longer my wife. Please warn her to stop going to embarrass me and my girlfriend. She goes to the house of my girlfriend to go and embarrass her. Is it good? Is it good? Is that anything bad to her? What is this now? You should tell her, please tell her now.
Susan, why are you doing that? You are no longer married to this young man. And you have no right over him.
Thank you, please tell her. Let her know. They don't understand.
Susan, you don't have any right whatsoever to harass this young man. Any girl he deemed it fit to stay with.
Any woman I deem it fit to be with, I'm free. I hope she's aware now. She's saying it now.
Did anybody just say anything?
Yeah. Oh, it is because next time I will not be this lenient. I will use elbow, and I will injure her.
Oh yeah, hey, scatter. I make you say, I make you injure me.
Don't fight her. No.
Injure me, I make you go far.
Is it by force? Don't beat her. I'll be here. Fight her.
Susan, is it by force?
Tell me don't beat her. Tell me don't beat her. I'm just respecting you people now. I would have beat her very well. Who is she? Don't worry. Oh, that is Susan.
It's not by force.
Which can't be this so? Which can life be this so? While they are so. Which can life be this so? Which can't even be this so? Which can life be this so? While they are so. While they are so. While they are so. Yeah. Which can woman be this so? Which can person be this so? Which kind woman be this so? Which kind person be this so? Chai, hugging it. Chai.
Oh!
Are you shouting? Are you shouting? You must be very stupid to open your mouth and shout. You're very stupid and silly to be shouting when you're doing something wrong. Who gave you the right to be sleeping at this time of the day? Amechi! Your mates are out there hustling and looking for how to fend for their families, and you're here sleeping and you're shouting, oh! Inapuala, are you mad?
What is this? What have I done to you? What have I done? Is it the bad that I was just resting here? I was just sitting down to rest. I washed. If you go to the backyard, you see all the clothes I washed. I washed all the clothes, even the ones that you said that they stained a little. I washed everything. I cleaned the house. I washed the plates. I even mopped everywhere. Let me just sit down here and rest. You keep on pouring me water. What is this? I'm seeing your husband. I paid your bride price.
Shut up! Which husband? Vegetable. Husband that doesn't have money. What's that one called? Vegetable. You're mad. Which husband? Your mates are out there hustling and you're talking about... Those clothes that are on top of the bed, did you wash them?
I washed them.
Shut up, you did not. You washed the one that was on the corridor. You left the one on the bed for who to wash it? Oh yeah, inside. Amechi, hey, this is just the beginning. I will not just pour you water. The next time I come out and see you wasting away, I will baptize you with acid. Bet. Oh, you cannot bet. Wait for me. Drop this behind. If I see you sleeping again, no now.
God, please come and kill me. God, come and kill me. What is this? Somebody I married with my money. Somebody I married. They even killed God that day. Su baby. Su baby. What are you doing? It's okay. I know you are angry. Don't worry. Baby, take it.
For what?
Use that prepare soup for us, for you and me.
Hey.
Buy catfish. Catfish and enough vegetable.
There is nothing I will not see in this house. Me, Susan, should take this money and go to the market and prepare food for you to eat. Hey! Ha!
What is wrong in you preparing food? Are you not my wife?
As what?
No, what are you not my wife? Didn't I pay your bride price? When I even went to marry you, they bought list, they bought everything. I went with 7 of my uncles. 7 of them.
Shut up your mouth! Give it to me. Give me the money. Because of small money that you managed to go and borrow, you want to tell me history that I've been hearing every day in my life?
I don't borrow it now. I worked it now. I brought money so that we can use it to eat.
Which marriage?
You're the one that said I've not been contributing anything. I tried now.
Amechi, please, you're disturbing me. You're disturbing my ears. Marriage that you brought baby goats and borrowed fowl is what you use and disturb my peace every day. What's all this now?
Did I bring baby?
That goat you brought, was it not a baby goat? The fowl you brought, did you not borrow it?
How can I borrow fowl?
You borrowed it.
All the part that I bought, they said it's for your auntie. I bought all the part that I brought. Did they not try?
Amechi, can I have peace? Can I have peace? I will go to the market and cook. Just let me have peace. Leave.
No problem. I'm buy snail and catfish. No, I like catfish, especially the head. Buy snail, plenty snail.
You will not like to eat crocodile. No, you will not like to eat crocodile. Because you brought 5,000 naira now. You want to detect for me what I should buy for you. You want to eat catfish. You want to eat snails for 5,000 naira.
Is it bad? Are we not husband and wife? Is it not if I bring you add smaller?
Amechi, please. You're disturbing me. Leave my presence. Leave.
It's okay. I know you're not happy today. It's okay. Sorry.
Amechi, I said leave. You're very stupid to touch me. Thunder will fire you. Come on, get out!
Hey.
I said leave!
Here.
Something's wrong with you, idiot. Because of this stupid money that you managed. Get out! You're touching me. Goat. You and that baby goat you borrowed for our wedding. I don't know who have sense more. Fool. How you want to come and spoil my makeup? Making me sweat because I'm talking to you. Babes, what are you saying? Have you forgotten? When we stepped into the party, we were like showstoppers. Everybody shut down. Yes, no. Everybody stood still for us. No, nah, that one, that's not classy enough. We entered with class. I could feel it. I beg, babes, tell me. When is the next party? This Saturday? Of course. I'll be there. Purple and gold. I get them. Yes, now. If I'm not there, who will? It's my calling. Hey, babes, let me call you back.
Su baby.
What is it?
Are you on the phone?
Obviously, you're not blind to see that. What is it?
I've been waiting for you to tell me that food is done. You know I slept off. I didn't even know. Have you gone to the market?
Hi. Amechi, this is becoming annoying. I don't understand. Me, Susan, beautiful Susan, I should go under this hot sun to the market, buy foodstuffs, come back home and prepare food for you to eat. As what? Eh? No, Amechi, don't you know that this is degrading?
Degrading?
Yes!
You're even shouting that. So are you not ashamed of yourself? You're even shouting. How can you be shouting? You want people to hear that you're telling your husband that cooking for your husband is degrading? You see, I married you. Like, you are my wife. I am your husband. I can't be telling the man that knows all the nook and crown of your body that cooking for him is degrading. What are you saying? Why please go and make the food.
Amechi, like, are you not tired of this same talk every time? How you married me, husband, this husband, that. Are you not tired? Eh? Look at me, classy Susan. I should go under the sun and buy food stuff and come and cook for you. Instead of you telling me how you will take me to a fancy restaurant for me to eat, you're here telling me I don't blame you. What do you know?
Sorry, I don't know anything. It's okay, no problem. Since you don't have chance and you cannot go under the sun, no problem. Give me back the money. Let me go and buy it and cook. Give me the money. Let me buy it and cook.
If I tell you to spend money now, can you spend money? I should give you which money?
The money I gave you, give me. Let me use it and buy it and cook.
The money is gone.
Please give me the money. Let me go and buy it and cook.
I said the money is gone.
Don't play with me, please. What do all this? Give me my money. The money I gave you, please give me the money. Don't play with me.
Hey!
Please give me the money. The money I gave you, you're telling me this. I don't want to be angry with you. Give me the money.
Hey! That's not to the point that you're shouting at me, Amechi. Amechi, you want to fight me? You want to beat me because of money? Oh yeah! Come and fight me, Amechi. Amechi, fight me! You will beat me.
The money I gave you to
beat me!
I've not touched you.
Amechi, beat me. Nan, beat me. Amechi, beat me.
I've not touched you.
If it's not that fire you, if you don't beat me, thunder will fire you, Amechi. Thunder will fire you.
You're not me. You're not me. Leave me. Hey!
Amechi! Thunder fire you! Thunder block you down! Because of ordinary 5,000 you want to beat me! Beat me now! Hey! Amechi, you will sleep outside today. Amechi, if you enter this house, let thunder fire me! Amechi, you are a goat! You will... You see this outside? You're dead. You're finished! You are finished, Amechi! Come on, enter, let me see. Idiot! Useless man!
Which can't be this so? Which can I be this so? While I be so. Which can I be this so? Which can't be this so? Which can I be this so? While I be so.
Amechi! Wait. Stop that nonsense. I hope it is not the Gary I left in the kitchen that you're drinking.
Yeah. Did I steal the Gary? There's Gary inside the bowl. It's plenty. I just tried to take small and drink. It's easy, but I've been hungry. I've been sleeping inside.
Shut up! Do you know how I got it? Do you know how much it costs to buy this Gary?
Hey. But I gave you money here to go and cook now. You said that we don't want to live under this one. I told you, give me my money back. You refuse. Let me come and drink Gary again. Is it not in my house? Let me drink Gary, please.
Is that an excuse?
Please, I'm
if your hand touches that Gary, I will slap your head. Is that an excuse? Eh? You've started disrespecting me in this household. Oh yeah, give it to me. See, you've even finished. Can you come on, use your hand. Wipe your mouth. I said wipe it. Clean the Gary. Do you know how much it costs to buy Gary? You're drinking it and you're telling me you saw some Gary. Clean it. Come on. Stupid man.
Let me just commit suicide. That's what I want to die. I want to commit suicide. Let me just die.
Yes, my love. I miss you too. Don't worry. When you come over the weekend, it's you and I, nobody else. Yes. I have enough to show you. Have you forgotten how I do it? That's not the problem. That's not the problem. Yes. Okay. I know. Oh, baby. Now let me call you back. The bacteria I live with has decided to disturb my life. Shut up your mouth! Can't you see I'm on call? And when did that nonsense start? When did you start calling me baby?
Sorry now, but the person know that you are...
Hush! Don't try it again.
Baby, sorry. Susu.
What?
Please, I want to beg you for a favor.
Hi. God, it's only you that will help me.
Amen.
It's only you that can help me.
Amen.
Is there any time you don't beg for favors? Eh? Are you this shameless, Amechi?
Hey, calm down. Are you not my wife? Would I be begging you money if you're not my wife? Hey, calm down. Let me explain myself. Su.
Shut up and talky! What's this now? Who's smiling with you?
Okay, fine. I know you're upset. I don't know why all these people that will be getting you upset will be calling you on the phone. So, there's this, let me put voice on your clothes. There's this vacancy that came out in one company. My friend just sent me the link. So, I need money so I can go and print out all my credentials, all of them. I need to send it. So, I'm sure that this one, I'll get it. I need to go there and submit it by myself. I don't want to submit online.
All the times you've been submitting your credentials, how many employer has called you?
You see, this one now, my spirit, my instinct, the Holy Spirit in me is telling me that this one is going to work. And see, after you must have given me money, if I print all my credentials, I want two of us to go and pray. We'll kneel down and pray. So that by the time I submit it, they will...
Tell that your instinct that you're wretched. It's simple. Tell that instinct of yours that you don't have money, that you're broke. So that instinct will go to another person. How can a broke person be having instinct? Have you seen a poor person looking for chicken to eat? It's like you're broke and proud. You don't have money, Maintain your lane. That credentials, leave it all. I don't have money to give it to you. You're aiming high when you don't have money. Broke and proud.
Am I broke and proud? Amechi, so it has gotten to the point where you start stealing from me in this house. What is this? How did I steal from you? How did I steal from you? Did I steal from you? What is this? Allow me to think about my life. How did I steal from you? Are you not calling me a thief in my own house?
What life are you thinking about? Life that is condemned already? Is there any other life you kept somewhere? This one that has finished. Where is the 50,000 I left in my handbag? Amechi, where is the money I kept in my handbag? So I'm not staying with a ghost. Abi, is there any other person in this house aside two of us? Amechi, talk to me! Talk to me before I go mad on you.
Please, I want to beg you. I did not steal from you. I am not a thief. Please, allow me to think about my life. Let me know if God can see me and help me. Please.
Hey, you want to think about your life? Okay. Please, Amechi, think about your life. Oh, rest. You think I'm bluffing? You think I'm joking with you? No problem. Just think about your life. Foolish idiot! You think I'm bluffing with you? You're not stealing from me! Good! You're not saying anything. It's just to smash this your head to this wall. You just die once and for all. Let me have peace. If you don't bring out that money, hey, if you don't bring out that money, what I'll do to you? What I'll do to you, Amechi? Okay. I think I'm true.
Emeka, thank you. Honestly. If not for you, I would have still been in that hospital. Thank you for coming through for me to help me with that bill.
My man, you are my man. You don't have to thank me, okay? We are friends. And friends help each other in time of their needs. Please, it's just so sad you had to end up with a person like Susan, who put you in this condition and abandoned you in the hospital. That is pure wickedness.
If I tell you that I am not suffering in this marriage, then I'm lying. Ever since I married that girl, it has been from one trouble to the other. I barely have peace in my house, honestly.
Then, tell her to leave. Let her leave.
Do you know that I practically live like a slave in my own house? Please, Emeka, please, before you go, don't forget to give me the money. Let me buy the pain medication the doctor prescribed. Yeah? Please don't forget.
I will.
You know that even in my own house, I live like a slave. Oh.
Okay.
Practically treats me like a slave.
Then tell her to go. Tell her to go. Let her go. The other day, I saw Susan with a man in his car. They were making out. You don't have to kill yourself. Let her go.
Wait.
Please. Take it easy.
Did you say you saw Susan with a man in his car?
Yes, I saw Susan with a man in his car. They were making out. They were even kissing.
I think I'll buy that your idea.
Please.
You should go.
Save your life.
Let me have peace. Aye.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let me have peace.
It's okay. Sorry. Sorry.
Please don't forget that medication now. Because of pains. Please.
I will not forget, please.
I don't want that girl again. Let her go.
Better. Just
you know, my back.
Sorry.
If you see the big stick she hit me on the head, I would have died. It's God that saved me.
Thank God for your life. Just let her go. This is pure wickedness.
She has to go. I'm tired.
Okay. Talk about medicine.
Please, don't forget to give me that money.
Sure. Before I leave, I will give you. Yes.
Okay. Emeka, thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.
Thank you.
Just
take it easy.
Amechi! Why did he lock the door? Amechi, come and open the gate! Amechi! Are you deaf? Amechi, come and open this gate! Are you deaf? Didn't you hear me knock? Come and open the gate.
Where are you coming from?
You say? Do you realize I'm standing under the sun, Amechi? Open the gate.
Susan, do you know my head has been paining me since? Do you know that the way my head is paining me now? The last time I checked, I'm still the owner of this house. I'm still your husband. You did not even sleep at home last night. Where did you go to?
How is that supposed to be your business? Are you now the controller general of my life? I can't open this gate!
It is my business because it is my house and you are my wife. Listen, let me tell you. See, since it has gotten to this extent, where you go to wherever you want to go and you come back, you did not tell me where you are going to. You even had the gut to sleep out. You slept out and you are comfortable. Look at this, was not the way you were looking when you were leaving.
Amechi, open this gate!
You changed skates and you changed shirts. You came back. I don't know where you went to. Your lipstick is even new. See, I'll open this gate. By the time I open this gate now, I beg you. I don't want again. Say you don't want me again. Instead of us, you don't need to kill me in my house.
Amechi!
Go inside there. Pack all your things. Just pack everything. I don't have strength to fight. Pack all your things and leave. I don't want to marry again. That's the reason why I'm opening this gate for you to go and carry your things and go back to where you're coming from. You better leave. Don't leave this place.
Next time I ask you to open the gate for me, you will not waste time! Idiot! Stupid foolish man! Watch this ahead one day. Good. Not voila! I said open gate for me, you're asking me, you're telling me I'll leave this house. Do you have anything inside? All the clothes you're wearing, I bought it for you. Fool.
I can't believe your wife did this to you. Why is she so wicked? This is too much. You are already in pain, and she has added more to it. Why is she so wicked? Hey!
I don't know what I did. Huh? Okay. Please.
Sorry.
My head. Yeah. I don't know if it was stone that she put in her fist on Posh. Hey.
Oh my God.
Push me here.
Sorry.
I don't know what I did to her. I don't know. I cannot tell. If I tell you I know what I did, I'm lying. I regret putting myself together with that kind of human being. Honestly.
This is too much. This is too much. Don't worry, my friend. You are more than a friend to me. You are like a brother to me. If you want anything, just let me know, okay? With the little I have, I will help you.
Thank you so much, Amaka. Amaka, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Let me go and get us food, okay?
This hot painkiller. Let them to give you original painkiller.
Okay.
Ay, my head.
Yes, Chief. I'm by your car. You asked me to come here now. I'm here and you're not here. A meeting? Already? Oh, Chief, you know I can't just come out like that now. Yes, I had to make sure that that bacteria I live with doesn't see when I come out. So what are we going to do now? I should wait for you. Chief, that's not possible. Where I am is not safe at all. Yes, now in as much as I do the things I want to do, I still have to respect him. Okay, but how about the money I asked you for? Yes. I need it for my hairs and some of my toiletries. You send it now? Okay. I'm waiting. Okay. Thank you, Chief. I miss you too. Of course I do. I'm waiting. billion? What? 1 million? Chief, I need to call you back. Hello, Chief. I just saw it. 1 million. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Don't worry, this weekend is for 2 of us. I can't wait to see it. Okay, I should be going back home. Let me know when you're done with your meeting. Bye, baby. 1 million.
Which can life be this so? Which can thing be this so? Which can life be this so? While I hear so. Which can life be this so? Which can thing be this so? Which can life be this so? While I hear so. While I hear so. While I hear so. Yeah, yeah. Which can woman be this so? Which kind person be this so? Which kind woman be this so? Which kind person be this so? Chai, hugging it.
Sign this.
What is this?
You're not just stupid and useless, you're also daft.
Hey.
So someone gives you something, instead of you to open it and see the content, you are asking the person what it is. Okay, open it and read.
Hey, calm down. We are not shouting. It's just a question now. What paper is this? Is it landlord?
Okay, this is a divorce letter. Sign it.
Hey.
Sign it so we can end this rubbish we call marriage.
Yeah, it's true. Why divorce now? Do you want to... What are we divorcing?
Oh, get shut up! Of what good is this marriage? Eh? Of what good is this marriage? Sign it, oh. I don't want to hit you. Hey, Amici, I don't want to inflict more pains on you. Sign it.
My head is paining me. My head. That's why I want... Please don't shout. It's entering my head. Please.
Okay, sign it!
Okay.
Oh yeah. Hey, come on, sign this. Sign. Okay. Sign it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Be fast.
So.
Hey, madman.
What is this now? I came back. I didn't want to go. So I said, let me stay here and rest. So and again, is divorce paper. What have I done? What is... Susu.
Thunder fire.
Hey!
You mad?
Please now. Please now. You cannot leave me in this condition now.
You mad?
Look at my baby now.
Are you mad?
You want to carry...
You are... Come on!
Hey!
Are you mad?
Sorry.
You're touching me. So, I will not do. Amachi, it's like you don't know me.
Sorry, baby.
You don't know what I can do. I will break your head.
My head. Sorry.
Don't try me.
Sorry.
Don't ever try this again. In fact, you want... where will you see me to do it again? Try it again. Try to stop me again. Madman. Poverty-stricken idiot. If you touch me, if you come close to me, I will just use my leg and scatter you.
Is the bag heavy for you? Hey. I don't know if I should be happy. I don't know if I should go after her. Emeka, she has left me. She brought a paper here, and she said it was a divorce paper. I looked at it. She forced me to sign it, and
She took it and carried her back. I tried to stop her. She overpowered me. She left. Right now, I don't even know if I should be happy or if I should feel sad. Yes, indeed, I'm suffering. But she's my wife. I married her because I love her. But I don't know how I feel right now.
Is that why you are in this mood? You are supposed to be jubilating.
Huh?
Yes. You are supposed to go on your knees and thank God for removing this heavy load off your shoulder. Yes! I thank God for a day like this.
Emeka.
My man.
The most painful part of it is that I suffered. You don't know how much I suffered.
I know.
When things were going on well with me, when I was working and I had money, she loved me. But as soon as I lost my job and everything dissolved, she went haywire, started misbehaving. Do you know that she beats me up at the slightest provocation? The next thing I will see is a slap. This pain that I keep having on my neck, my head now, I don't even know how to start. I don't know if I have an injury there. Now she has dumped me and she has left.
Now, you have a whole lot ahead of you. Yes. Pursue your goal and leave the rest for God. Please, I'm happy for a day like this. Cheer up, let us go and drink. We need to celebrate this. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, we need to celebrate your life. You are survivor. My man, let's go. Let's go cheer up, okay? Cheer up.
Hey, I don't have cash with me. Give me that money. Let me use some and take care of myself.
Don't worry, I will give you. But we need to go out. Come on, you need to cheer up now. Trust me. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Good evening, sir.
Please, I want to withdraw.
Okay, card.
1,000.
Okay, sir. Your charge is 100 naira.
No problem.
Here, your PIN. Oh, sir, insufficient fund.
Hey. Please, can you try 900?
Okay, 900. Okay. Let me check. Please put your PIN. Yes. Here, don't bother about the charges. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's fine, sir. Alright.
So, can I sit down?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know you are putting on white.
It's okay, don't worry.
So, transfer or deposit?
No. Actually, I didn't come to withdraw. My name is Amechi, and I actually came to say thank you. You know,
what?
The other day I came, you helped me. You see, that day I had an interview that I wanted to go for, and I needed my transport money. So if you hadn't assisted me that day, maybe I would have gone late or I wouldn't have even attended at all. But thank you very much. You helped me.
It's fine. It's fine. It's nothing.
But do you know the good news? After the interview, I got the job.
Wow!
All thanks to you.
Wow! Congratulations, sir. Congrats.
Amechi.
Congratulations, Amechi.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Well, I bought you this little gift. It's from my heart. It's actually a way of showing my appreciation. Thank you. Don't say no now. It's a gift. It's a gift.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Amechi.
I want to tell you another thing. You know you're beautiful.
Thank you so much. My mother always tells me that.
But I'm telling you now that you're beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Amechi.
Why do you like smiling? Why do you like smiling?
I don't know.
You see today, I'm going to work with you. Two of us will stay here and call customers. They'll come out with their money.
Start calling them.
I should call them.
Yes. Yes, customer, come.
Oh, no. Amaka. This one, you're back this early. I hope there's no trouble.
Mama, there's no trouble. There's no trouble. The weather deceived me. I was thinking it's going to rain. You know how terrible our road can be.
I know.
I told me that.
I was actually waiting for Chidi.
Oh.
Yes, for lectures.
Yes, it's true.
I wanted him to buy vegetables for me. But now you're back and then you will have to go and buy the vegetables.
Let me just run along.
Amechi.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mama. Good evening. I hope you're not having too much food.
No, not at all. I for each package where butter. Is it for me?
Mama.
Because I know this is not the kind of thing you bring for your girlfriend now.
You know what? It is for you.
It's for Dalo.
It's for you.
Oh, wow.
So,
hey! Oh, good here.
hey now. You know that day I overheard Amaka saying that you love a vegetable soup.
I love it.
So while I was coming back from work, I saw where they are selling vegetable soup ingredients. I decided to buy it for you. I have periwinkle there.
I forgot I'm going to miss you.
And snail.
Oh, good there. Hey! Snail in Kabakwalaba. Come and take this to the kitchen now. You now have to cook the vegetable soup. Okay. Sikwanya also so. You can't keep a mellow mount to.
Mama, let me go and help and wash the fish.
So you want? What you know we have?
Let me wash the head of fish.
Today, Batago, one Jemba. Udemezwe, Kedo.
I'm fine, man.
How was lectures?
Lecture was fine, man.
Great. Your sister is back. She's preparing vegetable soup for us. Even I like here.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Nah, get the school bag,
Mama, I left it at school. Like, I will take it tomorrow.
Okwechi, you will come and tell me your books are missing.
No, Mama.
You will take it tomorrow. Is it so heavy for you to carry?
Mama, the lectures.
Go and freshen up. Alright.
We
left it in the scale to carry to man, baby. Yeah, I find mellow love in the kitchen. When you're Johnny North.
Susan.
Hey?
Susan.
I'm going out.
What are you doing here?
Well, today is environmental sanitation, so I decided to come and help you.
Hi. Susan, what did I do to you? What is this? Did I tell you I needed your help?
But I know
Did you see me in your dream?
I know you will need my help.
How can you need my help? Why would you be the first person I will see? this morning. What will be the first person that I'm going to set my eyes on this morning? See, please, I don't need your help. My house is clean. Just... You're not doing this for me. Just go, please.
Relax. Do you have some dirty clothes or maybe any other thing I can do?
Susan, please. I beg you in the name of God. Just go. Please go. Just go.
Why are you now shouting?
Go. I don't want. Go. Charlie, my dirty clothes. Go.
But I came to help you now. Why are you now shouting at me?
You came to help me?
You.
Go now. I don't want. We don't have anything in common. Go.
Hey, please don't shout at me.
Hey, go.
I'm here to help you and you're shouting.
Please go.
Please stop shouting at me.
Go. Hi, what kind of evil is this? Who knows what she has put in this broom now? If I touch it, I will start. Every evil plan of darkness against my life this morning, Holy Ghost fire! The enemy cannot come and be sweeping my house in the morning. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Call myself with the blood of Jesus. Call myself with the blood of Jesus.
I really don't like the way you are going through this. I mean, you deserve better. With the way things are going, that girl seems like a hard nut to crack. I mean, she's not ready to back out soon. Sarah, now you understand me. That girl is not relenting at all. In fact, this has been the most embarrassing moment of my life. I have not felt this embarrassed before. And to crown it all, Amechi is showering that idiot with gifts. Hi. Hey? But you can't give up now. You can't give up. You need to fight for the man you love. Fight for him. Or else you are going to end up single and poor for the rest of your life. Do you want to live with that?
Hey, Sarah, I have tried all I can. All the plans I've strategized in my head has failed. What else am I supposed to do? What?
Okay, you know what? I'll come up with a plan. And I'm very sure it will work. Yes. I am very, very sure it will work. Are you sure? Yes, trust me now. I am your friend.
Auntie, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Oh, you don't understand. You want to act dumb with me now, right, Abi? You want to act dumb with me now. Listen to me. Stay away from Amechi. Oh, stay away from Amechi. And what is funny?
Hey!
What is funny?
Wait. So your friend sent you? Do you know that you don't have sense? She sent you and you came. Your friend sent you and you stupidly accepted to come and fight me. Let me tell you. Amechi found interest in me. Okolo. You want to go now? And I found interest in him. So I will advise you stop blabbing this rubbish and leave this place. Yes.
Oh.
Just thank your stars. Thank your stars that I'm in a good mood. I'm not in the mood to... Else what will happen? What will happen? So because you think you are fat, Ibu Agalata, you are here. You are here to fight me. My own POS.
You are pushing me.
You want to fight me.
You are pushing me.
You are very lucky. POS stand.
You are very lucky. I'm not in the mood to fight. I would have dealt with you. I would have. See. Look at. It can never. Is it by stone? It can never. No, is it by stone? Just thank your stars. Thank your stars. Leave somebody's husband alone. Nonsense. Onye beli baby. They can go giba. But they can go giba. Onye nzuzu. Come, let me bless you. You think you have strength?
You think you have strength? Your friend sent you and you shamefully you accepted to come and fight. You can't come and fight for a man. Biaka weraka nja swap. Biwe gonu. Ala da pue. Onya ala.
You're going out.
No.
He's flying.
I'm coming in.
Amechi, I was coming to your house so I can just help you do some chores, like, you know, washing, arranging your house and all of that.
Are you sure she's normal?
Okay. Ask her.
Please, I want to ask you something. Do you used to feel headache in the midnight? Like you be having headache here? At the back of your head?
Why should I?
Because that is the sign of madness. Like from the way you are looking, even your eyeball is telling me now that you're sick mentally. So since when did you now start thinking of how to come and do house chores in my house? Or is it because you saw me with the queen of my heart? My baby. like for example now, if we get there now, I'll just carry you like this. It's okay. Is it penny you?
Allow me to handle her.
You know, are you sure?
Yes.
Amechi, I just...
Shut up.
Thank you.
Shut your mouth.
Very good. Wire her.
So, you sent your friend to embarrass herself. Because you are here embarrassing yourself already.
Oh, wait. She sent somebody to come and embarrass you.
My love. Forget it.
Embarrass her.
Only believe it. Don't you have shame?
No.
Don't you have shame in your eyes? Are you supposed to be running after a man? No. But in your own case, you're here running after a man.
Running after your man?
Running after my man.
Thank you.
Why not go home?
Yes.
I and my man, we have a lot. I mean, a lot to do.
She does not have home. She lives in the bush. Why don't you go to the bush?
I don't know. I don't care. I told him, ma.
It's okay.
Rubbish.
It's okay. So let me carry you to where we are going to watch movie.
Carry me.
And we're going to chop meat.
Obi! Obi, take me around!
Susan, there's nothing I will not see in my life. Amechi. Amechi. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. In fact, what am I going to the house to do? Let me go back to my house.
Chidi, I've been waiting to discuss issues with you since morning, but you're just so engrossed in your book. Since morning you've been studying. You can acquire.
Mama, my exams are coming up soon. And if I don't get high scores, I won't be able to get into the university.
I know. But sometimes you need to take a break. You take a break. You take a break. So that way you don't forget what you studied. This book you have with you, you've read it more than 3 times.
Right, Mama. I'll go inside and rest.
Go inside and rest, Nina. Chidi, where are you going?
I'm going inside to rest.
Let me have that book. I know you. If I allow you go inside with this book, we'll continue to study. Tell Larona. Go on.
Okay.
Alright? How I wish your father were to be alive.
Oh, you're so
wow. Amaka, you're back.
Yes, Mama, good evening.
Welcome.
Oh, okay. Chidi's book.
Yes.
So where is he?
He's inside yesterday.
Oh, I didn't see him inside though, because I went inside to drop what Amechi got for you and Chidi.
Because what did he bring?
A lot. You know you like veggies.
Yes.
A lot.
Please thank him for me.
I already did. I thanked him on your behalf.
Oh, that's good to hear.
So,
it's getting better.
Don't worry, very soon.
I can't wait. Don't
worry, Mama.
Okay.
So, did you make anything for us?
On my fancy. Leg that has no legs, you're asking on my face. Now you're back, you'll prepare something for all of us.
No problem. Let me go inside and disturb Chidi.
No, don't disturb him. Let him rest. Alright? Just go and prepare the meal. When he wakes up, he will eat.
I will, Mama.
Make sure you cook it well. No, you always oversalt your things. Biko. Good. Chidi.
Mama.
Kedu?
I'm fine. Mama, I saw vegetable inside the kitchen.
Yeah.
Vegetable soup this night.
We're having vegetable soup today. Do you have any problem with that?
No, Mama. It's just that I've been craving for banga soup.
You've been craving for banga soup? Yes. Chidi. Because you know I can never say no to you. Okay, no problem. Banga soup you will have. But you'll have to go to the market to buy what we need to make banga soup. Yes, if you go into my room, you know that my old black handbag, open it. You'll see a black polythene bag inside it. Open the polythene bag, you will see another polythene, white this time. Open the white polythene bag, you will see my old handkerchief, tied up. There's money inside it. Bring out 2,000. You use it to go and buy banga and the spices we need to make the soup. Well,
thank you, Mama.
No problem, for nothing. Okay, I'll make the soup for you, Onna. My whole brody only. All my hope in this life depends on.
Jesus Christ.
Chidi, what happened to you? Chidi, what did you do?
All the people are busy running after men instead of men running after you.
Mama, our own time. You have to fight for what is yours.
What is yours?
Amechi is mine.
Why didn't he see you before getting married to that mad woman? Eh? Why? Amechi is yours.
But he's here now.
Okay. Oh, man. If I'll feel that today you fight, tomorrow you come because of a man.
Mama, any good thing takes time to come. It takes time to happen.
Okay, the good thing must transfer. Travel.
Mama Amaka.
Oh, give me, Amaka, what is it?
The worst has happened.
What happened?
Chidi.
Which of the Chidi? Talk now.
I was on my way to see a friend.
What happened?
What happened?
Chidi. I saw Chidi by the roadside, lying lifeless.
Mama! I don't like such jokes at this time of the day. Chidi, ma'am, it's not possible. I beg you can call you. Emeka, it's not possible. My own Chidi.
Mama, I saw him.
Please, take him. Oh, what is he talking about? Chidi can't be lying lifeless. I sent him, right? He said he wanted banga. He can't be cheated. Chidi can die. I'm supposed to make banga soup for him. Chidi.
telling you. I saw the opportunity and I seized it, babe. You don't know how I feel now. I feel so fulfilled. Now let me see how they are going to be happy in that relationship.
Hey. Well, serves them right. Let them cry. Let them cry. It's been long since I saw tears coming out from their eyes.
Hey. If you know how happy I am, Sarah. If you know how excited I am. Now let me see how that stupid girl will think about love. Everything love. My boyfriend. Let me see how she think about love right now.
My dear, you know what? At this point, this call for celebration.
Are you telling me? I know. You know that special spot where they sell gory. You want us to go there? Let's go there!
The pain is too much for me to bear. Not for us to bear.
Mama, you now prefer this backyard to the other side. Mama, don't tell me you're still crying. Mama, give me easy. Mama, you didn't touch your food.
How can I eat when the spirit of my son keeps appearing to me in my dreams? He's always looking sad. Can I eat? I don't know why he's looking sad. I don't know what to do.
Mama, you are all I have left. If you don't eat your food, you're going to fall sick. And you know I won't let that happen.
I will sleep first. Maybe when I wake up, I will have an appetite.
Mama, promise me you are going to eat your food. Do you want me to die? Do you want me to die?
Please. I can't help the way I feel.
Mama, but you know that is not possible. Mama, it's impossible. We already buried Chidi. We already buried him. The way it hurts you is the same way it hurts me.
Amaka, I'm really sorry about the loss of your brother. How is Mama holding up?
Mama has refused to eat anything. The only thing she knows how to do is cry. Morning, afternoon, and night.
It's not easy to lose a loved son. I pray that God gives us strength to go all through this.
I heard from some people in the area where he was killed that he stole money from a woman. The one named Aburonyomi, he has never stolen anything in his entire life. Since they gave birth to that boy, he has not stolen from anyone. He's not a thief.
Nawam, Chidi is a very nice boy. Very humble, honest, and hardworking. His story is not adding up.
Exactly. It's not adding up. It's not adding up, and I need answers. I need answers to Chidi's death.
Stop crying.
I want justice for him.
Sure. Just hold yourself. Sorry.
Anyone that has a hand in this will not go unpunished.
Yes.
They will pay with their blood.
He said, hi. It shall not be well with them. It shall never be well with them.
Knock, knock. Is someone home? Knock, knock, knock. Amechi. Is someone home? Is he not in the house? Ha! What's all this? Eh? I put in so much effort and work to look this good for him and prepare this food for him, and now he's nowhere to be found. Me, I'm not going anywhere. I will sit here and wait for him to come back.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Now talk to me. What are you doing here?
I prepared something very nice, so I thought it would be very kind of me to bring some for you.
You prepared what? Food.
Yes.
For me. God will punish you. God in heaven, the God that created heaven and earth, Isaac and Jacob, he will punish you, punish you, and punish you, and punish you. Oh, so you have decided, since you could not kill me while you were in my house, you now decided to put the poison inside food and bring for me to eat. Wait, let me ask you one question. How many times did you cook for me while you were still living in my house as my wife? That time that you were still having the title of a wife with me, how many times did you cook for me? Talk.
Amici.
Say it, let the air hear it, let the land hear it, let everything hear it. Say it now.
Amici, that's in the past. Let bygones be bygones. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Biko, let it be bygones. I'm a changed person.
Do you know what is Otoro? Otoro is purging. As you are living here now, you keep purging and purging from your mouth, from your anus everywhere until God will still punish you again. You're very, very wicked. See, carry these your two left legs and this place. So you're quoting scripture for me. What can you? You're begging food for me. What can I give? Otoro, back there.
I took my time to prepare this food. I used all the energy and love inside of me to prepare this food. And this is what you can do to me. No problem.
It is still like a dream that you're no more, Chidi. You were the light of this house, and now you're gone. All we ever see is darkness. Mama and I sacrificed so much to make sure you got the best. Only for death to take you away. I miss you so much. Mama misses you too. Mama misses you.
Sister, I just want to thank you for all that you and Mama have been doing for me. I know it's not easy, but you and Mama always try to make sure that I eat food. And all my school fees have been paid.
Wow, Chidi. Chidi, you're not supposed to be thanking me. I am your only sister, right? Chidi, ever since you've been little, you've always wanted to be a medical doctor. And I promise you, I and Mama will do everything in our power to make that happen, okay? You don't have to thank me.
Sister, thank you very much.
It's fine.
I really appreciate it.
It's fine, Chidi. It's fine. Just promise me you're going to make it up to us.
I promise you that I'll never let you down.
Good. Come here. One name. Don't worry. Sister. What happened? So you're shouting.
I got it.
You got to it.
I got the scholarship.
Chidi! Medicine and surgery. Mama! Jesus! Chidi, Chidi, you got the scholarship. Hey! Mama! Chidi, come let me back you. Chidi, what did they got scholarship? Chidi! Mama, where are you? Hey! I am the medical doctor. Chidi! Let's go inside. Hey! Mama, come and see for yourself.
My brother had so much potentials. Now he's gone. First was my father. My father left us. And now my brother. Why is the heart of men so wicked? Why? Why are people so mean? Why are people so mean? The death of my father was a mystery, and I did nothing about it. But now, I will not fold my hands and watch them get away. No! Never!
I will find you on this spot. Obali. No, come and fight. Come and fight. Onyala. No, you want Amechi. You want Amechi. Come and fight for Amechi. Come and fight for Amechi, Onyala. You know about so here they make shameless human being. Men are looking for girls and you are the one looking for men. Onyala, come and fight for Amechi. Listen in my aqua. Piano can well I can't aqua. Swag you see. Only baby. No, come. Yes. How may we help you?
We've come to deliver a very important message to Susan.
Okay, I'm here.
A serious allegation has been held against you. You, daughter of late Chief Ibenna, you are accused of being the reason why his brother is dead. You are to present yourself at the deity within 11 days. If you are innocent, you'll be vindicated. But if you are guilty, that ends your story.
And failure to show up shows truly that you killed Chidi. And the gods will take their wrath on you. That is the message we both has come to pass up to you.
Ibutere. Oh yeah.
We are gone.
Don't worry. Just calm down. You didn't do it, right? You didn't kill him, so calm down. Let's go inside. Don't worry. Just calm down. You didn't do it. So you mean one person beat you up like this?
Sarah, if you see what this girl did to me, before I could open the gate, I heard BAH! Hey! That why? Before I opened my eye, boom! Hey. She pounced on me. I was so scared. I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. I'm lucky I'm alive.
Eh? Wait, are you saying that girl did this to you?
This girl is a man in disguise. She has single bones. Hey. If she give you on your eyeballs, you will not see again. I am telling you. This girl gave me, this girl beats me with no good. She gave me boom. Hey. Is it because I'm talking well? My internal organs are destroyed. All my gums.
Hey. Sorry. Look at your neck. Have you taken any painkiller?
I've taken more than enough. I don't want to get drowsy. I've taken enough. I'm tired of taking. Hey.
Sorry. Yeah, that guy is very wicked.
Hey. God. See how I've used my own hands to dig my own grave, Sarah.
Don't say that now. Don't tell me you still believe in deities in this 21st century.
I do not know. I didn't kill. I just give directions. Hey.
I am sure you will go to that shrine, you will swear, and you will come back. After all, you didn't kill him. You only show them direction.
It's true. Hey, Suzanne. My horn is finished though.
It's okay now. Don't see, you're already going through some pains. Don't add to it with the stress. Just calm down. Just calm down now. It's okay. What is it now? You got me worried. I have been trying to call you. I even sent text message, but you were not responding to any of them.
I am so out of this world. Right now, my sanity is shaking. I don't even know where my phone is. Do I still have phone? I don't know where that one is. I've left it somewhere.
But I've told you to stop worrying about these things and see how things unfold for your own good. Hey, calm down.
How am I supposed to stop being worried, babe? How? Look at me now. Sarah, look at me. This is Susan, look at me. This is all of me. I don't even have money to pay my rent that is almost due. I'm looking so unkept. Everything is just crashing down on me. Where am I supposed to start from? Just tell me why I should not be worried.
It's okay. Just calm down. Thinking is not going to solve everything. I will try and talk to my boyfriend and see if he'll lend me some money. Then I give to you so you can pay the rent and also get some good things for yourself. And as for that shrine of a thing, I have told you, they are all fake. They don't work. Trust me now. Those deities don't work. They are fake.
I know, but how am I supposed to stop thinking? I'm just a human.
Okay, tell me. How are you supposed to stop thinking when you stay in the house all day crying to yourself? How? Okay, you know what? Let's go. Let me take you somewhere.
It's okay.
Stop asking me. Stop. Let's go. Let's go. Look at you now. So, my friend. You're not supposed to be thinking too much.
We are actually coming to your house. I want to advise you as our daughter. I cannot see anything that is bad and do it to you. I want you to confess, because if we get to the shrine, there will be no going back.
Exactly.
Please,
But what exactly am I confessing for? I did nothing. I'm not guilty. And I'm sure if I get to that, I'll be vindicated. So, I have nothing to confess. I have clear conscience.
Exactly. A clear conscience fears no
accusation.
My friend, don't worry. You'll be vindicated, okay?
I know.
Jay, since she says she doesn't have anything to confess, let's now proceed to get Amaka. She's waiting for us. Let's get her so that we can proceed to the shrine and do the needful.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, for Ananya.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go now. You are innocent, I'm innocent too. Let's go. You're supposed to be scared.
Yes, thank God you are here. We are coming to your place so that you come, we go to the shrine so that we can take the oath there.
Let's go.
Good. Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah. Rather, some people are at the back.
Oh yeah.
I cannot.
Come forward. Let's go.
I cannot be in the front as somebody's at it. Try to move forward. Don't go there. What are there? You can drink water at the shrine.
Hey! Are you okay? What is it? I'm not okay. What happened?
I just punctured my foot.
Oh,
it's paining me. I'm not sure I can go.
Emeka, help her carry her leg. Help her carry her leg. Let us go.
I said I just injured my leg. I'm not sure I can go.
Oh yeah, Emeka, you can.
You are a joker. You are a joker. I will carry you. Don't worry.
Enter. Was I talking to you?
Auntie, let's move. Let's go. Why you calling auntie? Her name is Susan. Susan, let's move. Susan, let's go.
Calm down now. Why? Don't worry. She will walk. Hey, sorry.
Oh yeah, let her walk. Let us go to the
Let's go.
Why you carry my hand up?
Susan, what's all this drama?
I just said I enjoyed myself. I hope you're not seeing it.
Calm down. Whether you like it or not, we must get to that shrine.
Just whether you like it or not, we'll get to that shrine.
Let's go.
Calm down. You should be going.
Let's go.
We'll go to the shrine.
You go now.
Sorry, my stomach is paining me. Your stomach is paining me.
Let's go move on.
She said her stomach is
Auntie,
paining me.
I'll carry you. Let me help you.
It's
For the last
not her
time.
stomach.
Let's go.
Why you carrying that? What is all this? She can walk.
Elders, sincerely speaking, what played out there was never my fault. My elders, justice was the only thing I seek.
My daughter, stop crying. You did not do anything wrong. You did not do anything wrong. She said she was innocent, and the gods has taken their decision.
My daughter, calm down. Okay? Be yourself. The judgment was not for you. It was between the offender and the cause. And you see what played out there now. The cause has vindicated you. Because you are innocent. Cry no more. Okay? Just go home.
Thank you.
The gods are still wise. Go back to your mother. Okay?
Thank you, my elders.
Thank you. Just go back to your mother. It's okay. It's okay, thank you. My elder said we'll just go to our mother so that you can tell her everything that happened.
Just go home and take care of yourself.
I don't come back home. When I come, I don't miss you now, my customer. Customer! Hey!
Auntie.
Customer!
Hey, longest time.
I don't miss you.
Longest time.
No see my brother.
See as you dey shine.
Hey, Onyekwa.
See as you dey shine.
I dey shine like this.
You dey shine now.
I beg you.
I don't miss you.
Nah,
all these things wey you no come out, I no go do any other place.
No worry, I don't come.
Amaka
the POS specialist.
Na so.
I am here. So now withdraw.
Now withdraw. I hold my card for you.
How much now?
Just give me 2K. Make I use that one.
Upon all this name I give now only 2K.
Make I just use that one manage now.
No wahala. Hey, oya put your pin. You don't marry, Abi. You see?
Nah, I never marry you, but by next year, by the grace of God.
Hey, no wahala. Transaction successful.
I get money now. Aza is
customer. Hey, customer. I don't miss you now. Hey. Now you
nah, this your money meant to.
Amaka the POS specialist. Thank you. Go tell everybody say Amaka don't come back.
No worry.
I trust you. Go announce.
I go inform all the whole community.
I bet they go. I dey wait for you. Anna me too. No. Oh yeah, now bye. Yes. Ooh. Anna tagomo. I feel na zof ma. Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes. I want to do it.
It's fine, Mama. I miss him too. So I know he's in a better place now.
Every time I see his clothes, they remind me of him. I have to let go. I'll burn them.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, I have good news for you.
Yes, Mama.
Mama, I have good news.
You do? Yes. Enough of the sad news. Something good is coming. Let's hear it.
Mama, Amici asked me to marry him.
Finally proposed?
Yes!
Oh my God. What did you say?
I said yes!
Yes! Oh my God, I can't believe this. Come. Congratulations! I mean, look at you.
Thank you.
Eh? Wunya Amechi.
Abuzimu Wunya Amechi.
Amechi.
Mama!
Wunya Amechi.
Yes!
Hey! I bet you're Amechi.
Nemo. Hey! Mama!
Oh, I found Hey, Winnie! Hey! Obidi.
Mama, I won! Hey! Mama, I'm
daughter.
so happy.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you, Mama. I'm going with you. Don't worry. You are not staying in this house alone. I will go with you.
But not for long. I'll come back to my house.
Mama, get a house,
because when they gonna be na kugasiaka. I know Chidi once in a while will want to check on me. Don't worry.
I miss him so much.
I miss him too. I would have been so happy for you.
Amechi. Finally, Mama, I'm now a married woman. Mama.